What if I told you that the biggest lie you've ever been told is that your DNA is your destiny? We're taught to believe that our genes are these unchangeable puppet masters, pulling the strings on our health, our personality, and even our success. If your family has a history of a certain illness, you're doomed to get it. If you were born with an anxious personality, well, that's just who you are. But what if that entire story is wrong? A groundbreaking discovery by cell biologist Dr. Bruce Lipton completely flipped this idea on its head. He found that your genes aren't the boss. They're just blueprints, passive and waiting for instructions. So who or what is the architect that reads these blueprints and decides what gets built? It's you. More specifically, it's your beliefs. Today, we're diving deep into the biology of belief and how you can become the master of your own biological fate. For decades, science was certain that the nucleus, the part of the cell containing the DNA, was the brain of the cell. But Dr. Lipton did a radical experiment. He removed the nucleus from a cell. And guess what? The cell didn't die. It kept moving, eating, and reacting to its surrounding. It was still alive. This proved the nucleus wasn't the brain. The real brain, he discovered, was the cell membrane, the outer skin of the cell. The membrane's job is to read signals from the environment and then send messages to the DNA, telling it which genes to activate. Now, for a complex human being like you, what is your environment? It's not just the room you're in or the air you breathe. It's your internal chemistry. And what controls that chemistry? Your thoughts and your beliefs. When you feel happy, safe, and loved, your brain releases a cocktail of growth hormones that nourish your body. Your cells thrive. But when you feel stressed, fearful, or threatened, your brain floods your system with stress hormones like cortisol, which literally shuts down your immune system and your growth processes to prepare for a fight-or-flight emergency. This isn't just theory. It's the science behind the placebo effect. A sugar pill has no medical power, but a person's powerful belief that it will heal them can create real, measurable biological changes. Your belief becomes the medicine. So, if it's that simple, why can't we just sit on the couch, think positive thoughts, and suddenly become healthy, wealthy, and wise? Because there's a powerful force working against us. The subconscious mind. Your conscious mind, the one listening to me right now, might want all those amazing things. But your subconscious mind runs the show about 95% of the time, and its programming was mostly installed before you were 7 years old. Think about it. Any limiting beliefs you heard as a child, like money, is the root of all evil. You're not smart enough, or you'll always be sick, got downloaded directly into your subconscious operating system. Now, as an adult, you're trying to use conscious willpower to overcome this deep-seated programming. It's like trying to fight a computer virus by just typing faster. It's exhausting and it doesn't work. Your subconscious program is constantly running in the background, sabotaging your best efforts by influencing your chemistry and your choices. So how do you change the code? It starts with awareness. You have to become a detective of your own thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, or I always get sick, recognize it for what it is. The old program running. Don't judge it. Just take a moment to notice it. The second step is to introduce new evidence. You can't just tell your brain, I am successful, if your reality screams otherwise. You have to give it proof. Start with small, achievable wins. Complete a small project. Learn a new skill. Go for that walk. Each small victory is new data. A new signal that proves to your cells that you are capable, that you are healing, that you are in control. Your beliefs are the signal. Your cells are the receivers. It's time to send a better signal. If you want to learn more about how to upgrade your biology and master your mind, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.